This is Tyler with Power Tank, and in this video we are going to rebuild this European clip-on chuck, or Euro clip-on chuck. The European clip-on chuck was standard on all Power Tank tire inflators up until our current gen Ventoso tire inflators. So there's still a lot of these in the wild. Those tire inflators are still working, but they might need some TLC. So we're going to rebuild this one. Very simple. I'm going to take a wrench, put it on the end here, put one on the other end. These are both 5/8. Unscrew it. And I'm going to do it vertically. So that way I don't lose track of the plunger. So that's what depresses your valve core. Now I'm going to take a pick, pull the rubber seal out from here, and then take the rubber O-ring off of this side, or EPDM O-ring is what we use. Alright, and I have a chuck rebuild kit here. So the O-ring goes over the base very simply. Put the new seal in the chuck. Plunger goes point side out, or down in this case, and you just screw it back. Just until it stops, metal to metal, and you're good. This is good as new. And you're done. Very simple. Links to the rebuild kit are in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.